Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something exciting to talk about entryway design ideas. The entryway serves as the first impression of your home, setting the tone for what is inside. Its design significantly infuses the overall atmosphere and welcome guests warmly. A well thought out entryway is not just about aesthetics, it enhances functionality and organization. Image a clutter free space that effortlessly accommodate daily essentials, making your routine smoother. Additionally, a thoughtfully designed entryway contribute to a positive mindset as you enter or leave your home. It is the transition zone that bridge the external world to your personal heaven. By optimizing this space, you create a harmonious blend of style and practically making every entrance a delightful experience for both resident and visitor alike. Creating a minimalistic entryway involves keeping things simple yet impactful. Start with a clean slate, decluttering unnecessary items to allow key pieces to shine. Option for natural colors and sleek furniture to maintain a streamed look. Showcase impactful decor with a focal point, such as a statement mirror or artwork. Keep organization in mind by incorporating functionality furniture with hidden storage to tuck away everyday essential. Utilize hooks or small console table for easy access to frequently used items like key or bags. By embracing simplicity and strategic design choice, your entryway become a welcoming space that reflects a sense of calm and order, making a lasting impression with minimal effort. Discover imaginative way to reuse everyday items and elevate your entryway style. Interest of decreasing common items, consider repurposing them to add a unique touch to your space. Transform old crates into a charming shelves or turn vintage frame into a capacity gallery for your entry wall. Get creative with household items like baskets, tray, or even an old leather to create functional and aesthetically pleasing storage solution. This cost-effective approach not only adds characters to your entryways but also contribute to a sustainable and eco-friendly home design. Embrace the art of repurposing and watch as your entryway becomes a showcase of innovative design using items you already. Transforming your entryway is a breezy with clever vertical storage and space saving decor. Picture this: vertical shelves or hooks on the wall for coats, bags, and accessories. Maximize flooring space. These solutions are like adding mini organization to your wall, making your entryway both stylish and efficient. Think of it as creating a design spot for everything neatly hang or tucked away. Vertical storage does not just serve space, it also adds a modern touch to your entry. Combine this with compact furniture and multifunctional decor like a slim console table with built-in storage. You have turned a small entryway into a smart, organized, and visually appealing space without breaking a sweat. Embarrassing nature in interior design is a rising trend that involves bringing the outdoors into your living space. Interested of artificial elements, this approach focuses on integrating natural components, fostering a connection with the environment. Imagine introducing plants like vibrant succulent or leafy ferns into your home to add a touch of greenery. Natural materials such as wood and stone can be incorporated for a warm and earthy ambience. This trend celebrates the beauty of the natural world, promoting a calming and refreshing atmosphere within your living space. By blending indoor and outdoor elements, the trend of incorporating nature into interior design seek to create a harmonious and inviting environment for everyone to enjoy. Create a unique entryway with simple DIY projects that reflect your style. Start with personalized wall art using canvas and paints, a fun way to showcase your creativity. Utilize old picture frames to craft a distinctive gallery wall displaying shared memories. Upgrade plain doormats by sculpting painting them with patterns codes that resonate with you for a functional touch. Repurpose wooden crates into stylish storage perfect for shoes or accessories. Finally, add a personal touch to your key storage with a DIY holder using hooks and a piece of reclaimed wood. These projects not only enhance your entryways but also let you personal shine thought in a budget friendly and enjoyable way. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more and creative ideas.